Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little box out on pads, get ready for some concrete. Got an E35 on a trailer, so stay tuned. Little E35 on a trailer, so we'll see how she does. Gonna make all the water shut off that way. The basketball hoop's going to be up here in the bank, but we'll get her boxed out and get her dug out, and should be good shape. The boys are playing here. They get to see what it does. Yep, here she is, done. Cut my board in there. So here's where the basketball hoop's gonna go. Morning, we got some concrete coming and we got rain coming too, so hopefully we can get this poured and be okay, but it does not look good on the radar, so. Oh, there she is, all poured out. Don't look too bad. Well, here's the finished product, ready for seed. Turned out pretty good, I think. I would have liked to have seen that not be quite such a hump across there, but turned out pretty good. Everything's straight to grade here. Sheet draining that way, so rained on us the whole day yesterday, so pretty much the whole day, I should say. So we've got a pretty white piece of concrete here, but well, thanks for watching, and remember, please subscribe and have a good day.